Hey guys, welcome back. In this Blender video, we're going to model a mechanical pivot bracket step by step while focusing on clean topology and a subdivision-friendly workflow that's easy to follow. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. First, let's start by adding a cylinder. Then rotate it 90 degrees on the x-axis. Let's make this cylinder slightly smaller by pushing it in a little along the y-axis. Add a few loop cuts here, keeping everything nice and even. Select these faces and extrude them out to form the side part. Press SX0 to flatten the end. Select this edge loop and slide it over a little here. Now select these faces and extrude them upward to create the top part. Press SZ0 to flatten it there. Then select these faces here. After that, choose Limited Dissolve to remove those unnecessary edges. Select these faces as well and choose Limited Dissolve to clean up the edges there. Here, let's adjust and tweak the size of this until it looks nice and right. Here, let's curve this part by beveling it. Before that, let's add a cut here with the knife tool. So this part doesn't curve because this corner part is too close and there is not enough space there. Now select this edge and let's bevel it. To keep both sides equal and prevent it from moving too far, enable clamp overlap. That looks good there. Add more segments here, so this is equal, and we can connect this nicely here. Select these vertices and connect them like this. Let's connect this till over here for now. Here, let's bevel this corner to make it round. Before that, select these edges and dissolve them so we can bevel here properly without interference. Select this edge and select the top edge as well. Let's bevel them together to round them. Keep 4 segments over there. Turn on auto merge at the top, then bevel it so it merges instantly. Also, select the whole mesh, press M and choose merge by distance to remove any overlapping vertices. Select these faces over here. After that, let's insert them inward so the boundary loops stay inward. Add a cut here and let's snap it here. First, change the snap type to vertex. Then snap it to this vertex. Slide this vertex and merge it here. Dissolve that edge there. And that looks good there. Connect these vertices to fix the geometry here. Here, let's add a cut with the knife tool. Over here, add a loop cut. Connect these vertices. Slide this vertex over here. Here, slide this over. Then connect these here. Actually, we can do it like this here. We'll move this one step further, so do like this. And that's good there. Here, connect these vertices. Then add 3 loop cuts here. Then connect these vertices like this. Here, this edge is lifted a little, so select it, then press SZ0 to flatten it. Then move it and snap it to this one to line it up. Now here, add a few loop cuts, and that's good. Actually, this top part faces looks a little too long stretched, so dissolve these edges and we'll do it like this instead. First, dissolve this edge here, then add a few loop cuts here, add 6, which will connect nicely here. Then on this side, add 4 loop cuts. Connect these here. To solve this here, do it like this, and that's good there. Here, select these faces and use grid fill. And now the geometry is nicely connected. Here, extrude this to fix this. Then merge this, actually dissolve that edge, and then add it back again. Select both the front and back faces of this, then insert them inward. Before that, apply the scale so it inserts properly without any issues. Then insert them inward nicely, like this. After that, use bridge edge loops, which will cut a hole in the middle. Then add a loop cut over here. Then add a few loop cuts inside this. Now here, we'll cut the hole. So select these faces where the hole will be coming. After that, insert them inward, then go to Mesh, Transform to Circle. This will make it a circle. This is a new feature Blender added. In the corner panel, adjust the radius to get the circle size right. Then delete these faces. On the bottom side, we'll also add a hole. So select these faces, then insert them inward. We want the top hole and the bottom hole to be the same size. So first, delete these faces. Then select this edge and press Shift-S cursor to selected to move the 3D cursor to that point. Select this circle and duplicate it. After that, press Shift-S, selection to cursor, keep offset. Don't just choose selection to cursor or it won't work. Choose selection to cursor, keep offset. That will move it to that position, then rotate it 90 degrees. Select both these edge loops. After that, use bridge edge loops. Then dissolve this edge here, and that's good there now. Here, we can do a little tweaking by sliding these vertices to space them nicely. At the back, we'll fix this now. First, delete these faces there at back. Delete these bottom faces too. Then we'll just copy these front faces to the back. So select them and duplicate them, then move them to the back and snap them there. Select this edge, extrude it down and snap it. Then again, repeat the same step. Move and snap this vertex here, add a loop cut over here. Here, we can slide this vertices and merge it here. Then slide these a little, dissolve this edge here, slide these and space them nicely here. Now we'll copy these faces to the bottom. So first select them, then duplicate them, and then move them down and snap them there. Here, select this edge loop, then use grid fill to fill it there. Now select both these edge loops and use bridge edge loops. Do the same for this, use bridge edge loops, add a cut in the middle there. Now let's bevel all the sharp edges. Quickly select them by going here and choosing sharp edges. Unselect these edges here, we'll bevel them later. After that, bevel all these edges. Here, set the profile shape to 1, turn off loop slide and clamp overlap 2. Here, choose arc for nice round corners. Now here, let's fix this. First, slide this vertex and merge it here. Then use the knife tool and add a cut like this. Dissolve this edge. Now add cut here with the knife tool like this, then dissolve this edge. And that's good over here and it will stay good. Now here, connect these arc parts wherever they exist. Now shade smooth the mesh. Then add a subdivision surface modifier. And now you can see this looks good. This corner stays nice over here, and this is done perfectly. Alright, so that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video, picked up some useful modeling techniques, and found the whole modeling process easy to follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment below and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.